I'd been promoted maybe an hour before, but it still felt like I was following Baker around. It's probably for the best at the time.
How much more resistance did you encounter?
Mostly just the pockets of scared crowds that fled during the assault on the train yards. It wasn't easy to find them in all those back alleys and side streets. It's hard to imagine people lived in half the places we were standing on.
McCrary, stay with them! All right, we're going to attack at 2 separate routes and meet back at the plaza. No point in wasting a bunch of words. Let's just get this done.
It went in and out, I think. Krauts weren't supposed to shoot at me. Little bastards. Hurts like a son of a bitch.
I'm worried about Mac. He looked pretty bad. Right. Campbell! Paddock! Get behind me!
Got it!
Move! Campbell! Go! Over there!
Roger that! Roger that! Gotta get around him!
Move now! Kill him!
Around him! Under fire!
Paddock! Move! Take cover there! Fire now!
Keep shooting!
Red! Get down! Campbell! Go! Over there! Double time! Put some fire on him!
Let's get the hell around
here! Guys, follow Campbell! Squad! Rally on me!
Got it!
Take cover there! Paddock! I need you over there!
Got it!
Hurry up! Over there!
Let's move!
Give me a base of fire on that! Had it! up here! Panic! Titan formation! Get cover there! Go, fellas! Campbell! Take cover there! We got Germans! Flank him! Oh, shit, there's more! Paddock, Campbell, move there! Suppress on head! Let's go! Move your asses! All right! Take those bastards out! Here! Paddock! Double time! Give me a basic fire on that position! Let's give them all we got! Campbell! Let's panic! Get the hell over there! Roger that! I can't get Campbell! Quick! Go! Kill him! I need you over there! Panic! Go! Campbell! Base of fire! Over there! Covering fire! Panic! Take those bastards out! I can't hit him! Panic! Put the fire on! Here we go! Reloading! Take fire! Firing! Covering fire! Push around them! Campbell, let's shift fire! Shift fire! Right! Here we go! Red! There are Germans all over the area and they've got a tank. We've been running from it since we split up. Baker? We have to clear out this fortune before we can do anything else. Had no fucking idea. Baker! Shit! Get into that house!
that shell too fucking close. I can barely hear anything. Jesus, Baker, this shit is drawn to you. This ringing in my ears is gonna drive me crazy.
I jumped under what I think was a table, and I found this. Figured you'd like to properly toast your promotion.